Welcome back to another comprehensive review session of Bybit. Bybit is a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform founded in 2018, primarily focused on offering derivatives trading. By 2024, it has expanded its services to include spot trading, staking, and various other crypto financial services. Bybit is known for its user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and robust security measures. Using Bybit. Dashboard Overview. The main dashboard provides an overview of your account balance, open positions, and recent trades. Users can quickly access various features such as spot trading, derivatives trading, and staking. Spot trading. Bybit's spot trading platform allows users to buy and sell a wide range of cryptocurrencies. The platform provides advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and various order types, including market, limit, and stop orders. Derivatives trading. Bybit is renowned for its derivatives trading platform, offering perpetual contracts with high leverage options. Traders can use features such as isolated and cross-margin, advanced order types, and risk management tools. Staking and earn programs. Bybit offers staking and various earn programs, allowing users to earn interest on their crypto holdings. These programs provide flexible and fixed-term options, catering to different risk appetites and investment horizons. Security and privacy. Data encryption. Bybit uses industry-standard encryption methods to protect user data and ensure secure transactions. This includes SSL encryption and two-factor authentication. Privacy policy. Bybit adheres to a strict privacy policy, ensuring that user data is not sold or shared with third parties without consent. Fund security. Bybit employs robust security measures, such as cold storage for the majority of user funds, regular security audits, and a dedicated security team to monitor and respond to potential threats. Advantages of Bybit. User-friendly interface. Bybit's clean and intuitive interface makes it easy for both novice and experienced traders to navigate the platform and execute trades efficiently. High liquidity. Bybit provides high liquidity across its trading pairs, ensuring that users can execute large trades with minimal slippage. Competitive fees. Bybit offers competitive trading fees, with discounts available for high-volume traders and users who hold BIT tokens. Limitations and challenges. Regulatory uncertainty. As with all cryptocurrency exchanges, Bybit operates in a rapidly evolving regulatory landscape. Users should be aware of potential regulatory changes that could impact the availability of services in their region. Limited fiat support. While Bybit has expanded its fiat currency support, it is still more focused on cryptocurrency trading. Users looking for extensive fiat on-ramps might find other platforms more suitable. Market risks. Cryptocurrency trading involves significant market risks, including high volatility and potential losses. Users should trade responsibly and be aware of the risks involved. Conclusion. Bybit remains a powerful and popular cryptocurrency exchange in 2024, offering a wide range of features to help users manage their crypto portfolios effectively. Its user-friendly interface, high liquidity, and robust security measures make it an excellent tool for both novice and experienced traders. That wraps up our detailed review of Bybit. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.